If you're taking testosterone, when and how should you manage estrogen? This is a question that has a lot of debate going on. There's a lot of opinions about this on the internet. It is one of the things that we butt heads with doctors all the time until we show them our protocol, our reasoning, and why we do the things we do. There's a lot of schools of thought on this. Ours is as follows. Don't mess with estrogen unless a patient is sensitive to it and showing side effects. The only asterisk to that is when we look at blood work early, we can tell if a guy is going to heavily over aromatase. We might intervene at that point once in a while, but typically we let the guy's body do what it's going to do. And if he runs into side effects from too much estrogen, then we'll start treating that with something like anastrozole. Now, anastrozole also gets a terrible rap online. The reason is the doses that are commercially available are heavy doses. They start at 1 milligram. We have hundreds and hundreds of patients on our program. We have less than 1% of our patients on 1 milligram a week or more. So it's got to be done right. There's a bell curve in the body. We want to keep the guy up top at his bell curve. Sometimes that means adding estrogen. We have cypionate that has estradiol, and sometimes we give a guy estrogen cream. So all we're doing is we're managing him, either increasing it or decreasing it to get to that optimal spot. I hope this sheds some light on how and why we manage estrogen levels for men on TRT. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments below.